I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Yes, you're probably like, dang girl, you just got out of the shower and you're doing a video. Sometimes it just be like that, okay? So today I wanted to talk to you guys about this awesome new product that I purchased on Amazon, of course, just because I needed something to kind of help with my skin a little bit. I've been outside in the garden a lot more and outside a lot more, and I'm just starting to see like a little bit of blackheads and a little bit of stuff coming on my face that I haven't had issues with, like probably because I've been lotioning the heck out of my skin with sunscreen and just being outside and, you know, dirt and everything, and I'm just trying to find something that's gonna help with, you know, purifying my skin. So the product that I'm talking about is called the Pure Daily Care. It is a full-size facial steamer. What it is supposed to do is it's supposed to steam your face to where you can get more healthier skin. Your skin gets more hydrated. It's able to get more impurities out of your skin a lot easier. It's also pretty awesome because it does pure ionic steam, which is 10 times more effective in penetrating and hydrating your skin versus regular steam. So I've never had one. I kind of wanted one. I was interested in trying it, so I purchased it on Amazon, and I figured, why not do it with you guys? Because you're probably like me, never done one, don't know if it really works, don't know if it's worth the money, so that's what I'm here for you guys. So we'll see. So because of the Nano Ionic Steam, it's actually a 30-minute steaming session to your face, but it only takes 20 minutes to open up your pores to where you can kind of get all that gook and grind out, which is what we all want. We don't want blackheads. We don't want anything that's going to clog our pores. We want to get rid of all that stuff. So not only is this a facial steamer, it's a 3-in-1 steamer. So you have warm towels as a switch, you have facial steamer as a switch, and then you have humidifier as a switch. So you have more than just one function with this, which is nice. So I may actually put this in my son's room. He has a hard time during the winter time being able to breathe. They recommend that you clean this fairly often, and they ask that you clean it with distilled water and vinegar. So it's like 50% vinegar, 50% distilled water. You'll put it in the towel area in the inside, let it sit there for 30 minutes, let it do its thing, shake it a little, and then pour it out. Because they say that after a while you're gonna start to smell some type of bad odor, so they highly recommend that you clean it more often. So I've already plugged it up. Again, this is what it looks like. It has the water in the back, so this is where you would put the water, and you fill it up all the way that you can. This piece right here at the top, you have the lock mechanism, and then you have the unlock. So when you want to do a warm towel, you just twist the top. Now it is a little bit of a grip, so you just got to make sure you got it, and then you can put a warm towel in here. They recommend that you do is you keep a distance from the actual steamer when you first start out, that when it starts to steam, you put your hands close to the steam to see how well you can take it, and then if you can bear getting closer, you totally can. Now I just turned it on. I'm already starting to hear the gargling bubble of the steam go, so I'm pretty excited. We recommend that you use the 5-piece skin kit immediately after steaming to remove any blemishes, blackheads, acne, or any any impurities. So it actually came with this, which is kind of nice. Oh, this ain't no joke, y'all. This ain't no joke. I'm gonna see if I can tilt the camera so y'all can see it all together with what's going on. So I had to actually change the camera lens so you guys could see me and the actual machine. So again, this is the facial steamer. So it's pretty hot down here. but it's not so hot to where you can't touch it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hand over it like they recommend that you do. Oh yeah, this is, whew. Okay. So I think it took about 2 minutes for it to actually steam up. And they said again that it will go for 30 minutes, but it only takes 20 minutes for your pores to start to open up. The only thing I would say that I don't like about this is that it doesn't tell me when the 30 minutes is up. So it's not like gonna beep at me and go, hey, your 30 minutes is up or anything. So you just gotta keep a timer on to tell you when 30 minutes is up. Well, that is it, you guys. I can definitely tell why they recommend that you stay pretty far away from the steamer, and then when you're starting to get comfortable, you can start to go in. I can definitely see that my cheeks are a little red. I take really hot showers, so it really doesn't bother me as much, but I definitely was like, oh, okay. You got some steam heat. I got it. So I can definitely see why they say, hey, stand a distance back first and then slowly bring yourself into the steamer, because if you just straight up go full force in this, you gonna burn yourself. So don't do that, you guys. But I would highly recommend this thing. It's super cute. It's super lightweight. You need some more tea or something? Here you go. But it's super cute. I like it. And I definitely think it was worth the price of, like, I think it was like $45. So if you guys are interested in possibly getting one, I'll link the description down below, so you guys can purchase one yourself. But that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the stranger in the